Hello children, welcome to today's maths class. Children, today we will learn to read and recognize numbers from 1 to 10. After that, I am going to teach you to write number 1 in the notebook as well as in the workbook. So children, let's start our today's learning. Children, now it's time to learn and recognize numbers from 1 to 10. So let's start it. Children, look at the board. This is number 1. 1 means what? Now look here. How many ball? 1 ball. 1, 1. This is number 2. After 1 comes 2. Now let's count the balls. How many balls? 1, 2. So there are 2 balls. After 2 comes 3. This is number 3. Let's count the balls. 1, 2, 3. 3 means this. Okay. After 3 comes number 4. Let's count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many balls? 4 balls. So 4 means this. After 4 comes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balls? 5 balls. After 5, the next number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means this. How many balls? 6 balls. After 6, the next number is number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many balls? 7. 7 means this. Next number is number 8. After 7 comes 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many balls, children? There are 8 balls. 8 means this. After 8 comes 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 means this. So how many balls are there? There are 9 balls, isn't it? And children, after 9 comes 10. 1, 0, 10. Children, we always start counting from number 1. So let's count these balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So how many balls? 10 balls. In this way, children, you have to understand numbers. Alright, so let's revise the number counting 1 to 10 one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Children, you have to learn numbers and you have to recognize also numbers from 1 to 10 the way I taught you. Children, today I am going to teach you to write number 1 in maths. Look at the board, children. This is number 1 and see, I have made the squares on the board, and in this way your maths notebook looks like, isn't it? So in this way you have to write number 1. You have to leave the first block and see. This is number 1. Now children, what does 1 means? 1 means anything which is 1 in number. Now look here, how many sun? There is only one sun in the sky. So this means 1. 1 means this. Okay children? Now look here, this is today's date. Today is 16th April 2021. Children, in the first line I have written 1 and then I have left the block. In the same way, you have to leave one block after writing. See, you have to start from the middle. Your mummy or papa will put a dot here and you have to put your pencil on the dot, and then you have to make a standing line like this, and you have to touch the blue line. You have to write till this blue line, and then you have to leave the next block. Okay, now see, like this. Okay. Then again leave the next block, put your pencil here and see in this way. Again leave the next block, and then in the next block you have to put your pencil here. And you have to make a standing line and write till the blue line. You have to touch it. Now you will leave the next block. आपको next block भी छोड़ना है. Okay? Now see in this way. Put your pencil here. Like this. Now don't write like this. In this way, if you will write, it will become wrong. Start writing from the half of the block like this. And touch the blue line. In this way you have to write number 1. Now I will show you how you will write in the maths notebook. Children, now it's time to write number 1 in the notebook, in the maths notebook. Children, you have to write number 1 in this notebook. This is your maths notebook which you have got in your school book set. So now open the page, leave the first page, and then children, from the second page you have to write number 1 as I taught you. First you have to write today's date in which your mummy and papa will help you. Today is 16th April 2021, like this. And then class work. Okay children, leave the first block, start writing from the second one. See, in this way you have to start writing, write number 1 and then leave the next block. Then from here, start from, leave some space, and then you have to start writing like this. And then leave the next block. Put your pencil here and make standing line and touch this bottom blue line. Like this. In this way you have to write. Leave the next block and then this is number 1. You have to finish one page of writing 1. Children, in this way you have to write 1. See, now I am on the last line. So, look here how you have to write. Start 1 from this point. Okay, don't start from the top line like this. This is wrong. In this way you have to write number 1 and then touch the blue line. In this way children, you have to finish writing 1 in the maths notebook. Write it. Take its picture and send it to me. Children, now bring your maths activity for generations book. Children, now see, open page number 3. And today we will write today's date here. Today is 16th April 2021, like this. Today children, we will trace and write number 1. Look here, 1. 1 means, see how many engine are there? Only one engine. So 1 means this. So you have to trace and write. Put your pencil on this pink dot. Now see how it is written. Then you have to trace it like this. And in this way you will learn to write number 1. In this way children. So write it slowly. And you have to write only on the dots. Trace it. And children, from here you have to write on your own. See, like this. And see, in this way children, you have to finish this page. You have to write in these blocks also till here. So children, finish this work, take its picture and send it to me.